Hello everyone, my name is Vinny and I'm Yusha and we are traveling to Costa Rica. Our day one is in Monteverde, so we are flying from DFW airport to Liberia and then we'll do a car rental drive from Liberia to Monteverde. It's about 2.5 hours drive. And that is
This is me, Tawal.
Patel.
Yeah, I'm
My
also
husband.
traveling in about like 3-4 hours.
Alright, we are at DFW and it's currently 9:50. We'll be boarding in about 15 minutes and then we'll be there in 4 hours. We are literally in middle of nowhere. So huge feels high. Mountain चढ़ती वक्त. Yeah. तार उसको पाँच चढ़ाओ तू नहीं. हाँ. It's just us on the road. And the mountain. Amazed. क्या हुआ था एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ ना? Oh my god, it was so crazy. हमारा body ना दरेक bones are cracking, not cracking. Scared.
What about blood pressure?
Blood pressure. यार वीडियो की तो क्या हुआ तो मन पीक लगी. यार थी मन पीक लगी. और मैं जब आएंगे तो कुछ है जी नहीं. इन लोगों ने और पीक लगी.
बात तो करनी पड़ेगी.
इतने बजे मुझे इन लोगों हरवा चालीसा बोलना चालू कर दिया. तो क्या नहीं बोलती. अंदर भी पहले भी बोलती थी. तारो के हो रही है एक्सपीरियंस. हार्ट बीट कितना थी आता ये को 130 beats per second. कितना टाइम સુધી હતા? અડધો કલાક હતા. મારી watch is like are you working out?
Off riding, I would suggest that even if you take the risk, but take it in the not in a dark time.
Yeah. Reach in daylight.
Reach in the daylight. I think that's the main piece of advice. Even if you end up in this kind of situation, and make sure that there are some cars around it, so anything happens, you have
Someone. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. I just woke up to this view. That's a sunset point right there. And it's like a valley. So it should be more beautiful in the evening. And that's our balcony. Our plan for today is to get breakfast and then head out to do the El Tigre Waterfall hike. We have a reservation at 9 a.m. and it should be about 3 to 4 hours of hike with lunch included. So it should be fun. It's a challenging hike. And then the plan for afternoon and evening would be to go to a coffee chocolate sugarcane tour. That is about 2 hours, so it's from 3 to 5, and then I think we would be able to relax in the pool and the hot tub. The pool and the hot tub are right down there. This is the restaurant, and that's where you can sit down and watch the sunset in the evening. Yeah, it's beautiful with all the birds chirping and all the greenery. Unlike Dallas. It's beautiful. And it's so fresh. The clouds are sitting right below us. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the clouds are right there in the bottom of the valley. El Tigre Waterfall ની હાઈક પર પહોંચી ગયા છીએ આપણે. હવે ચાલુ કરીશું. This is our parking spots. And that should be a valley. પણ clouds ના લીધે કંઈ જ નહીં દેખાતું. And that is our જીજાજી. પૂજ્ય જીજાજી. કેટલું મસ્ત છે.
Look at this, guys. I mean, to be honest, it's really beautiful. I mean, the hype is worth. Apart from the risk, I would definitely say this is worth it. This is 100% worth it.
And
Monteverde. Clearly the cloud sky. You should obviously visit this one. It's second dense forest after Amazon, and I can sense it that it does get the title of second rainforest. We are in the cloud right now. Everywhere you see it's a green, it's a wild grass, everything. I don't know many names, but all I can see it's a muddy, and it should be muddy. Guys, I gotta change the bucket.
It's cold. Okay, people, we are starting our hike. And we got our bamboo sticks. We'll start our trail right here. This is our view. And it should take about 3 hours. We should be good. How's the Josh?
Josh, amazing.
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir. Let's go.
waterfall में रहना चाहिए ना.
Sun is out,
The sun is out.
but the
and
clouds
we're
are
in the middle
still
of the
there.
cloud.
Wow.
Wow.
Stick will come easy.
Yeah, the stick is really helpful. It's for free use.
And it's for the balance as well.
Balance.
Take a grip as well.
And when it's muddy,
Wow.
woo!
Oh my god. What the heck, man? આ તો જો જરાય ગરમી નહીં લાગતી હો.
ठंडी है ना लगती.
તમે આગળ જાઓ. Hello guys.
Hello.
Hello.
How is it going?
It's going
Going amazing,
good.
man.
We are at the start of our hike and super excited.
Super excited. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is a lush day. Another level of lush.
So the hiking paths are not paved, so make sure if you are looking for some paved paths to hike, this is not the right.
This is a
hike for
challenging.
you, but if
But
you
it's
want
a
some
beautiful.
challenge, it's definitely worth it. It's a 5 kilometers, and then we have a 4x4 to take us back to our reception area. Actually, lunch area and then reception area where we park our cars. So, hope you guys try this and like this hike. Nico, ध्यान रखજે લપસી ના જતી આમ ના કરતી
જોજો અહીંયા કીચડ છે.
कीचड़ है
Wow. આવા લીલવાળું ઝાડ કેવું આમ
Avatar view.
it looks
This
so
is a real Pandora,
magnificent.
guys. This is what Pandora looks like, okay? It's not a
Watch
movie.
out, watch your steps, guys.
Watch out and watch yourself. Be careful, guys. Use the stick. હું પકડું છું દીકુ મને ડર લાગે એટલે ખાલી તને પ્રેશર નહીં I'm just looking.
તને મારી બીક લાગે મને તને નહીં બીક લાગે એટલે તું મને પકડે તો અહીંયા પાઇપ ક્યાં ગઈ લાગે
અરે
નીચે પાણી જાય છે ને છે વોશરૂમ એક જગ્યાએ
એના રૂટ્સથી જ ઓલું બની જાય છે.
અને આપણે પેલા લિસ્ટમાં જોયું ને દેર ઇઝ ઓન્લી 8 આપણે 8 પીપલ હતા ને ટોટલ ગોડ
મિનિમેમ તમે અમારા પણ ધ્યાન રાખજો ભાઈ
ઇન શોર્ટ કેમેરો પડશે તો ચાલશે
ચાલશે કેમેરો ચાલશે તો ચાલશે
I have that idea.
યુ હેવ ધેટ આઈડિયા
અહીંયા જોજો.
5 કિલોમીટર
ઠુચુક ઠુચુક ઠુચુક.
તમારા પગ છે ને પાંદડા પર પડી જાય ને ધેટ્સ વેર
એટલે લાકડીથી ઉપર દેવાનું
એને પેલા જમાઈ દેવાની લાકડી
લાકડીને ઠોક જમાઈ દેવાની
Wow.
અરે ઝાડ ના વધ્યો ને તો લીલાથી એટલી
It's just getting beautiful and beautiful.
જાડે સ્લીપરી થઈ જાય ને પછી અહીંયા
ઉબારા.
guys little bit challenging knee pain should not come here
Hello guys.
we are into the dense jungle
Update. We are about 40 minutes into the hike and still going down to the waterfalls. How's
We
your
were-
experience?
we were told that there's 10 waterfalls. We are 45 minutes into the hike. We haven't seen any, so
it's been already 1 hour
it seems like we are going into the dense forest and then we'll be able to see waterfalls. 4 major and 10 waterfalls in total.
and 10 2000
And total.
The whole path is paved by the roots and people walking here, so there's no paved area where you can walk on the trail.
okay guys quick update tips and tricks for this trail make sure to have the stick you can borrow it here it's free but the other hikes like this if you do not have that please bring it it's necessary I would say it's a stick with stick it's the intermediate otherwise it's a challenging high challenging careful with the mud water shoes are necessary and I'm tired now go back હવે યાદ નહીં આવતું વધારે ઇંગ્લિશ
I am not tired at all.
tired means ઇંગ્લિશમાં tired થઈ ગયો ભાઈ
Fuck up.
હાય ભગવાન
It's humid. It is
સખત humid છે બાપા
Wow. Look at those banana trees.
my god greenery is
And the clouds up there. And there. And there.
guys
How's it going?
going good little bit having a hard breathe right now
Guys, that is our
First
waterfall. Wow. And this is our hike. Currently, it is 12:02.
12:02 guys.
12 of 10. 12:10.
12:10.
10:10.
10:10. On the big kalak ever hike kari.
10:10. Sorry guys.
Sort of wild
મગજ
wild
ફરી ગયું છે.
waterfall.
Just looking at this beauty. Wow. I don't think camera can do it justice.
Yeah, camera, you have to come here.
The
Camera can't do
trees
justice.
and the
I think it's a once in a lifestyle bucket type of thing.
bucket life.
Bucket list type of thing.
Wow.
લા આપણે તો
It is
વાદળા છે દીકુ. વાદળ લાગે?
It is amazing. I cannot
ચશ્મા સાફ કરવા પડશે.
praise enough.
Like kari apu? Kari apu?
It's uphill now, so I'll see you next time. Whoa! This is the Tigre Waterfall. Yes!
We made it!
Wow. It is just so mesmerizing. There's tree everywhere. And there's આમાં તો નાના હોય.
નાનાવાડામાં જ નવાના તો
Oh my god. There's nothing as beautiful as this. It is just awesome. You guys have to check it out. For sure. Guys, that was the El Tigre Waterfall. That was amazing. It was great. Just so refreshing. Hot. Okay. Next hanging bridge. And here she goes.
Hey!
This is our third or fourth waterfall. Third.
Third waterfall.
Third waterfall, right? Oh guys, we are so down. Oh.
તો અહીંયા આપણા જ કામ
Oh. It's a creek, small creek. And then we have another small creek or waterfall. You can say that. But it looks amazing. Just look at this. So beautiful. There's some roots coming down and then there's water trickling down the roots. And this is the path. It's a real Pandora jungle. And the videos and photos does not do any justice. Let's go! Namo Ji Shankara, Bholenath Shankara, Jai Triloknath Shambhu Shivaya Namo Namo Shankara, Bholenath Shankara, Rudradev Hai Maheshwara. Let's look at these details. एकदम माटी जामी गई છે અને એના ઉપર leaves છે. Detailing guys, detailing. Wow, my legs are shivering. जंगल है भाई, जंगल है. Oh man. Just look at that.
Look at this now.
We have to walk into it. After coming back from the Tigre Waterfalls, we came to Coffee, Chocolate and Sugarcane Tour at Don Juan Tour in Monteverde. So here are some pics and few recordings that I had from the tour. Enjoy.
Good exercise too. Next tour I have to go left. Look, this is pretty much what I got back there with the rock. Now we're gonna do a little bit of homemade chocolate here. Question for you: spicy food, chile. See? No? Say yes. See? Yes. Poquito. Okay, so we're gonna do chile. This is cayenne pepper. Okay, cayenne pepper is more like an aftertaste. So a tiny pinch like this. We're going to do also monkey pea. Okay? ¿Está bien? Monkey pea. See? It's natural. It's natural. Oh, the bottle is warm. I think it's fresh. This is a color monkey. Vanilla, okay? Just in case, it's vanilla. Alright. We're not going to do mushrooms right here, okay? If you were excited about the psychedelic part of all this, we're not going to do that. We do that only when we have night tours around here. When we have night tours, we give people mushrooms, and then we close this building right here, and we make the people look at this wall, and they see all the creatures that we have here. Toucans and monkeys. Yeah, they made it. But I was thinking different. So So we're not gonna do that, but I have this white powder here. This is from Colombia. Should I put it on the table or here? Okay, just in case, this is just salt, okay? Better be clear with that. Almost got in trouble the other day. Salt. Cinnamon, canela, a little bit. You don't like cinnamon? Not in chocolate. No, it doesn't taste like cinnamon. A little bit of black pepper, tiny pinch of black pepper. And of course, chicos, sugar. Okay? We have to add sugar. Okay? This sugar that we have right here is actually the next thing that we're going to talk about. But the sugar that we're going to see doesn't look like this. Okay? The sugar, in its natural stage condition, is actually liquid. It's juice that came out of a plant. But then we take that juice and we boil it, evaporate all the water, and it turns into some kind of syrup. When that syrup dries, it's a block. And then from that block we get this. Okay? So this is the less processed sugar that you can have. This is literally raw sugar, azúcar cruda. Nothing has been passed through chemicals or anything like that. But in the white sugar, they actually do that. Salud. The white sugar passed through chemicals where they remove all the vitamins and the molasses and minerals. Whatever is actually good goes away. And what they get is a crystal, which is the sweet part. The reason to do that, this is not very stable. If we keep this exposed to high temperatures for too long, it will start melting, maybe fermenting. So this is what we're going to do. Georgia, you have to go this way. Okay. Now you're going to go the other way. Okay? Don't make me look bad here. Okay? You're being recorded. Okay, so show these big muscles to the camera. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. This is nothing for this guy. I was doing everything, yeah. No bad, no bad. Wow. Some juice over there. You see, all that juice came from here. The cane, guys, looks a lot like bamboo, but inside we have all these fibers. It's a lot of liquid.
Yeah, we used to eat this back in India. Like where we were from India, so.
See, these things are, well, for us too. We normally cut the cane, we peel it.
Just peel it and
Yeah.
eat it like this, yeah. And then just throw that fiber of it.
No, you know what? Don't swallow that, okay?
Yeah.
That is grass. Okay, so you chew it, you get all the juice, and then you spit it out. Okay? If you guys want, you can try it. Like that, we give these guys a break. Get some energy here. You can try here. You can rip a little piece and try the cane. While you do that, I'm going to cut the lime that I have over there so we can mix it with lime. Very juicy, huh? And the beans on the other side. This is the manual version, of course. Imagine that we have to do this with 15 pounds of coffee. It will take us forever to do it, huh? But it works. We have most of the coffee on this side. You see? But this is something else that happens. We mentioned all the empty beans that are floating in water. Later, we have to sort all this coffee from the good beans, and this is what we're going to call second-class coffee. Okay? Second class. All the light ones floating over there is third class. That coffee is what we sell to Starbucks. Of course not. They get their third class somewhere else. No. Okay. Not everything is perfect, huh? Not all the coffee right here is good. So we have broken ones. This type of coffee, for example, will affect the flavor of the coffee. At the end, if we keep all the broken ones with all this stuff, this changes the flavor, the profile of the coffee. So the idea is only to roast perfect beans. So because of the friction of these machines, we're going to get this kind of problems. But this, Georgia, is how it's done, with friction. So we peel it. Normally, the machine that we use today, the machine also is a washer. So it takes all this coffee with all this sugar that we have around, and it removes all the sugar. So it cleans all the coffee. If we want to make honey coffee, we just take it like this. Just like this, we take it out of here, and we put it to dry. Okay? That is actually what we're going to do. We're going to take our coffee, and we're going to go and dry all this coffee. Okay? And we're going to go to the place where we do all that.
What we are really looking for. When you guys get in your country coffee from Costa Rica, this is what you get. Okay? Locally is roasted for you